जल्दी बारिश में Qasim Sahab, it's a huge area of baldness, and although he's a very young boy, these all hairs will respond to hair fall management, but we'll make him futuristic. We'll put hairs in the front and in the crown, some in the middle. Distribution has to be perfect. Let's see how much we get. This is after zero trim, and the area is huge, but the green area is also good. Let's see how much we can get. Qasim Saab, beautiful looking result. Only 6 months. He's applied a lot of oil, therefore the hairs are a little sticky. Otherwise, the results are coming up very well. Donor area, nobody can make out from where the hairs have been taken. Nicely looking result. सर जी, स्टेटस देखते हो ना मेरा? हाँ तो फिर तो बोलना तो पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं छोड़ते हम किसी को भी.
हाँ, so it has been like काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ है and काफ़ी confidence आया है and in terms of hair as well. काफ़ी मतलब started taking care of hair as well. और काफ़ी positive feel करते हैं, so it is like an impressive result.
You've got a very good transformation. Almost grade 7 हो गया था. थोड़ा सा मेहनत और करेंगे. ठीक है जी? Okay.